In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can have a shadow to your image in Krita. So I'm gonna use some examples here. I have this image of a man here. So to implement a shadow, all you have to do is just select the image and right click and go to layer styles, and now you will see here that you have the option of drop shadow. If you click it, you'll notice now that you added the shadow. You could also, if you click on this shadow here, you have the option to increase the shadow, like the intensity, opacity. As you can see here, I can increase it. I'll keep it at 75 because that's good enough. And then you click OK. You could also implement a shadow like this to anything, any object. So for example, if I drew like a shape here, let's just draw something here. Let's use this color and let's just draw whatever. Put a big size, and you could add a shadow to this one as well. Just make sure you right click on the image, then go to layer styles and click drop shadow, and then you should see a shadow here, as you can see. And again, you could adjust it as you like. Let's say I want it less, with less intensity, then click OK, and just like this. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.